Good afternoon, boys! So today we're going to be looking at some math word problems, and more importantly, we're going to be focusing on how to find key information in word problems. So here I wrote the objectives for the day, and so I wrote today we will be able to 1. Select key information in word problems, and 2. Organize the information that we find. Doing all of this will help us be able to solve the actual word problem. So I put up an example word problem, and I will read it out. So Dan had $267 to spend on 7 books. After buying them, he had $15. How much did each book cost? So first, I want you to think about, what is the question asking? So can someone tell me what the question is asking?
How much did each book cost?
Absolutely right, John. Alright, so I'm going to underline that in orange, just like the card. The second thing we want to consider is, what information do we have? So can someone tell me what information we have to solve the problem? Yes, Samuel?
Whoa. We have that Dan had $267.
Uh-huh. And what else?
He bought 7 books.
Uh-huh.
And that he had $15 left over.
You have $15 left over. Awesome. That's great. And then finally, we want to know what information we need. So we have all this information. We know that he had $267 to start off with. Then he spent it on 7 books, but he was left with $15 at the end. So what do we need to know in order to solve this problem? How much each book cost? Yes, John.
How much he spent on the books?
Yeah, just on the books, right? Because we still had the $15 left at the end. So this strategy is what I'm going to call the 3 W's. So anytime we're looking for key information in word problems, I want you to think about what the question is asking, what information we have, and what information we need. And that way we can organize the information in the word problem to solve for the word problem. So I have a little chant that can help you remember the 3 W's. Goes like, when I was solving math problems, I suddenly came into a halt, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. And then I remembered the 3 W's. Need to use 3 W's, I do.